Hi everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to add your invoices on Expensya. Go to the Invoices panel. Click on Plus Invoice and you will have the choice between three options. The first is Fast Scan. Click on it. You can download receipts that you want to add. As soon as the invoice is marked to validate, you can open it and find that your information is extracted automatically, such as the date, category, the payment method, the country, the value, the converted price, VAT, etc. You also have tabs for information about the merchant, the guest, and a tab to attach files, such as receipts of credit card. Another way to add your invoices is the manual entry, where you enter data manually. Finally, you can add expenses via email processing. Forward them by email to expenses@expensya.com from the email address that you use to connect to Expensya, and they will be automatically added to the list of your invoices.